My Hatsan 125 Sniper Vortex in 25 caliber is a stellar air rifle, but when I got it, it wasn't shooting as well as I thought it should. So I did a lot of practicing, a lot of testing of different pellets. I've got 8 different pellets shown here, and the pellet weight in grains, velocity is an average of 10 shots, extreme spread, group size, energy, RPM, this is all at muzzle velocity, and then the cost per pellet. So take a minute or two and review this data. Now this is a really nice graph. It helped me to understand a lot. The Grizzly is the heaviest, so it's the slowest. So it has about 22 foot-pounds of energy. The Predator GTO is the lightest, it's the fastest, and it has 32 foot-pounds of energy. 5 of the pellets that I tested are all in the 25 to 28 grain range, and they're very similar in energy as you would expect, except for the RWS Super H point. It was very loose and very slow, and I believe that's due to blow-by. These two graphs are really nice to compare to each other. If you notice, it's almost the same graph. The only difference is pellet weight is on the y-axis of one and RPM on the other. So if we're looking at average group size for each of these, both on the x-axis. So the heaviest pellet is the worst shooting, so it's least stable. As pellet weight decreases, average group size decreases. As RPM increases, average group size decreases. So what this means is that there's nothing wrong with the pellets, there's nothing wrong with the air rifle. I just had the wrong pellets for this air rifle. What it needs and what it prefers is a lightweight pellet. This is a good example of an unstable pellet. If you look at the keyholes in the target, you can see that this thing is just tumbling immediately. And that's why it shoots randomly and almost looks like a shotgun pattern on a target. These are recovered Predator GTO lead-free pellets. They look fantastic. They look like you could use them again, but I won't. Notice the side impacts of these pellets. These are tumbling. These have damage to the skirts. They have damage at an angle. They're just totally unpredictable